Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Rhykin Brush, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide where I show you the exact process. Links in the description. So Rhykin claims to be a powerful grooming brush designed to quickly remove pet hair, dirt, and loose fur, perfect for keeping your home clean and your furry friends looking great. It's marketed as a compact and easy to use with a slick design. On Trustpilot, it has an overall rating of 4.3 stars from 34 reviews, but the feedback are mixed. Some users love it, praising the quality, packaging, and how effective it is at controlling pet hair. One user said it made family holidays much cleaner and more enjoyable. Others are less impressed, complaining about long shipping times, sometimes from China. Poor packaging and the product feeling cheap, basically just a plastic box that doesn't seem worth the price. The concerns there are some red flags like delayed shipping, lack of clear instructions, and consistent or inconsistent packaging and product quality. Some reviews suggest being cautious with overly positive comments that might be fake or overly polished. So for the final verdict, the Rhykin brush might work well for some pet owners, especially if you get a genuine unit with prompt delivery. But buyer beware, there are definitely risks around shipping delays, inconsistent quality, and possible overhyped marketing. If you decide to buy, shop through reputable sources and check return policies. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.